Imagine, like billions of years ago, a massive lake just brimming with water, nestled inside a Martian crater.
Wow.
And fast forward to today, and that crater, Jezero,
Okay.
is the stomping ground for NASA's Perseverance rover.
Yeah.
And this isn't just any rover, though.
No.
It's on this quest, right? A hunt for signs of ancient life,
Right.
scooping up samples to bring back home, and even test-driving tech for future human explorers.
Yeah.
Welcome to Cosmos in a Pod Space and Astronomy series.
Yes.
Today we're taking a deep dive into this incredible mission, Perseverance, and the secrets it's uncovering on the Red Planet.
It's a pretty ambitious undertaking. I mean, we're
Right.
talking about a 45-kilometer wide basin that was once this dynamic river, delta, and lake.
Wow.
That kind of environment has huge potential for preserving clues about ancient life.
Okay, so I'm hooked already.
Yeah.
But why Jezero Crater specifically?
Well,
What makes it such a prime spot for this kind of exploration?
think of deltas like natural history books.
Okay.
They trap and preserve organic materials over eons, layering them like pages in a story. So if there were microbes swimming around on Mars billions of years ago,
Yeah.
Jezero's delta is where their traces might still linger.
So it's like a Martian time capsule.
Exactly.
And Perseverance is equipped to like crack it open and read those ancient stories, right?
Yeah.
What kind of tools are we talking about here?
A Perseverance has an impressive toolkit.
Okay.
Imagine a super high-resolution camera that's basically our eye in the Martian sky.
Wow.
That's Mastcam-Z capturing these breathtaking images and revealing all these geological details.
Okay. That's one way to sightsee on Mars.
Right.
But what about finding actual evidence of life?
Yeah.
How do we go beyond just pretty pictures?
That's where Sherlock comes in.
Okay.
It's a spectrometer, a molecular detective, if you will.
Oh.
And it's not looking for just any molecules,
Yeah.
but specifically organic ones, the building blocks of life as we know it.
Like,
Think amino acids, fatty acids, the kind of things that whisper tales of ancient biology.
so if Sherlock sniffs out those molecules, does that mean we've hit the jackpot proof of life on Mars?
Not quite.
Okay.
It's more like finding a tantalizing clue, not the whole mystery solved.
Right.
Remember, organic molecules can form through non-biological processes, too.
Oh, okay.
It's like finding a potential ingredient, but we need more evidence to know if it was ever part of a life recipe.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's a crucial piece of the puzzle, but not the whole picture.
Right.
Now, I remember hearing about another experiment on Perseverance. Something about creating oxygen from the thin Martian atmosphere. Is that ringing any bells?
You're talking about MOXIE, the Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment.
Ah, that's a mouthful.
It is.
Okay.
And yes, it was a resounding success.
Really?
It demonstrated that we can actually produce breathable oxygen from the carbon dioxide-rich Martian air.
Hold on. We can make oxygen on Mars.
We can.
That's huge.
It is.
I mean, what does that mean for future human missions?
It's a game changer. Imagine not having to haul all the oxygen you need for a Mars mission from Earth.
Yeah.
MOXIE is a stepping stone to living off the land, so to speak.
Okay.
Future Martian habitats could use similar technology to generate breathable air, making long-term stays much more feasible.
That is mind-blowing.
It is.
Okay, so I have to ask. We've talked about Sherlock MOXIE, those incredible cameras. But what about Ingenuity, Perseverance's little helicopter sidekick?
Ingenuity.
Where does it fit into all of this?
How could we forget the tiny helicopter that made history?
Yeah.
It wasn't just a publicity stunt, though. It
Right.
serves a critical purpose.
Oh, really?
Think of it as an aerial scout.
Okay, so it's like the eyes in the sky for Perseverance, helping it navigate the Martian terrain.
Exactly. It buzzes ahead, scoping out the landscape, identifying interesting features and potential hazards, and helping the rover team plan the safest and most scientifically rewarding route.
I see.
It's all about efficiency and maximizing the rover's precious time on Mars.
That's awesome.
It is.
So it sounds like Ingenuity is really playing a key role in this whole mission.
Absolutely. It's a remarkable piece of engineering, and it's proven to be an invaluable asset to the Perseverance team.
I mean, who would have thought we'd have a helicopter flying around on another planet?
I know, it's amazing, isn't it?
It's like straight out of science fiction.
It really is, but it's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to push the boundaries of what's possible.
Absolutely. And it's just the beginning, right? Yeah. There's so much more to discover on Mars.
Oh, definitely. Perseverance has only just scratched the surface, and with the Mars sample return mission on the horizon, we're poised to learn even more about the red planet's secrets.
This is incredibly exciting stuff, and I can't wait to see what other discoveries await us.
Me too. It's an incredible time to be following Mars exploration.
It really is.
Every day brings us closer to answering some of humanity's biggest questions about our place in the cosmos.
And that's what makes this mission so captivating.
Absolutely. It's a story of exploration, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, and it's a story that's still being written.
Well said. And for our listeners who want to delve even deeper into the Perseverance mission and all its amazing discoveries, be sure to check out our show notes for links and resources.
And don't forget to follow Cosmos in a Pod on your favorite podcast app, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stunning visuals and behind-the-scenes insights.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey to Mars. Until next time, keep looking up and keep exploring.
Keep exploring. It really is a remarkable partnership.
Yeah.
And speaking of remarkable, the way Perseverance gets around is pretty impressive, too.
Oh, yeah.
We're talking autonomous navigation.
Okay.
The rover has a degree of self-driving smarts.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah,
You're telling me this thing can drive itself around Mars?
pretty much.
That sounds a little unnerving. What if it decides to go rogue and take a joyride?
Huh, not quite.
Okay.
Think of it as a highly skilled co-pilot, not a reckless driver. Perseverance uses AI to make real-time decisions,
Wow.
dodging obstacles and picking the best path to its targets.
Okay.
But the mission team still sets the overall goals and direction.
So it's like having a brainy assistant that handles the Martian traffic while the scientists focus on the bigger picture.
Exactly.
I like it.
And it's crucial given that communication delay.
Right.
Trying to steer the rover in real time from millions of miles away with an 11-minute lag would be impossible.
Yeah, that'd be tough.
This way, the team on Earth can focus on analyzing data planning routes and making the most of every second.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
And I have to say, those high-resolution images Perseverance sends back are just stunning.
They're incredible.
It's like having a front row seat to another world,
I know.
right?
Really is.
And they're not just for our viewing pleasure.
Okay.
Those cameras are scientific instruments,
Right.
providing incredibly detailed views of the Martian landscape.
They're helping scientists study rock formations, map the terrain, and even trace ancient water flows.
It's amazing how much information they can extract from those images.
I know, it's remarkable.
It's like you're reading the Martian landscape like a book.
They really are.
Wow.
And it's not just images. Perseverance is collecting a wealth of data about the Martian environment.
Okay.
Temperature swings, radiation levels, wind patterns, you name it.
So it's like a high-tech Martian weather station,
It is.
beaming back vital information.
Exactly.
That's incredible.
It is.
So not only are we learning about Mars's ancient past, but we're also getting a real-time snapshot of what it's like there today.
We are.
That's so cool.
It is.
And that data is critical for planning future human missions.
Right?
I mean,
We need to know what kind of environmental challenges astronauts will face when they set foot on Mars.
right.
This information helps us design safer and more sustainable missions.
You know, talking about future missions, it's mind-boggling to think about the sheer scale of it all.
It is?
The distances, the time frames, the complexity.
Yeah.
It's almost overwhelming.
It is mind-boggling.
Yeah.
We're talking about journeys of millions of miles, missions that span decades,
Right.
and technology that pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity.
This is true.
But it's not just one country going it alone.
Right.
Mars exploration is a global endeavor.
That's right. It's a testament to what we can accomplish when we work together.
It is.
Agencies from around the world are pooling their expertise and resources to achieve these incredible feats.
Exactly. And it all stems from that innate human curiosity.
Yeah.
That drive to explore, to understand, to push the boundaries of what we know.
It's powerful.
It is.
It's the same impulse that led us to explore the deepest oceans, climb the highest mountains, and now set our sights on another planet.
Exactly.
It's a powerful thing, that curiosity.
It is.
And, it's easy to get caught up in the technical details,
Right.
the instruments, the objectives, the data.
Yeah.
But at its core, Mars exploration is about something much bigger, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely.
What do you think it's about?
It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, about seeking answers to some of our most fundamental questions.
Like what?
Are we alone in the universe?
That's a big one.
It is.
Oh.
What is our place in the cosmos?
Yeah.
What does the future hold for humanity beyond Earth?
Those are profound questions.
They are.
And Mars is becoming a focal point in our search for answers.
It is.
Every mission, every discovery, brings us a step closer to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things.
Exactly. And what I find so fascinating about the Perseverance mission
Yeah.
is how it captures the imagination.
Oh, I agree.
It's not just a scientific endeavor,
Well,
it's a story unfolding before our eyes.
it's a story of human ingenuity, of perseverance in the face of challenges, of the relentless pursuit of knowledge.
Exactly.
And it's a story that resonates with people worldwide, regardless of their background.
It does. There's something universally captivating about exploring another planet,
I agree.
about pushing into the unknown.
Yeah.
It reminds us that we're all part of something much larger than ourselves, connected by this shared sense of wonder and curiosity.
Yeah.
It's a feeling that transcends borders and differences.
That's beautiful.
It really is. It's a feeling that inspires us to dream big, to push the limits of what's possible, to strive for a better future. You know, it's funny to think that just a few decades ago, the idea of a rover driving around Mars, collecting samples, and sending back high-definition images would have seemed like pure science fiction.
It's true. The progress we've made in space exploration is just astounding.
Yeah.
It feels like we're living in the future. We used to only imagine, and the pace of discovery is only accelerating. Take the Mars sample return mission, for instance.
Ah, yes, the mission that's going to bring those precious Martian rocks back to Earth. It's a monumental undertaking, a complex ballet of spacecraft and international collaboration.
It's like a giant interplanetary relay race. And when those samples finally arrive back on Earth, it'll be a landmark moment for science. Imagine the secrets those rocks hold, the possibility of finding definitive proof of past life on Mars. It's mind-boggling.
It truly is, and even if we don't find direct evidence of life, those samples will be a treasure trove of information. They'll give
Yeah.
us unprecedented insights into Mars's history, its geology, its potential for habitability. It's like opening a time capsule from billions of years ago.
And who knows what other discoveries await us in the future as our technology keeps advancing.
Yeah.
Who knows what we'll be capable of. Maybe we'll even see humans walking on Mars in our lifetime.
It's certainly within the realm of possibility, and think about the implications if we can learn to live and thrive on another planet. It opens up a whole new chapter in human history. It would be a giant leap for humankind.
A giant leap indeed. And it all starts with missions like Perseverance, pushing the boundaries, paving the way, inspiring us to dream bigger. So as we wrap up our deep dive into the Perseverance mission, what's the one key takeaway you hope our listeners will hold on to?
I think it's the sheer sense of possibility that this mission represents. Perseverance is a testament to human ingenuity, our boundless curiosity, our determination to explore the unknown. It's a reminder that we're capable of achieving incredible things when we set our minds to it.
Beautifully said. And for our listeners who are eager to learn more about the Perseverance mission and all the amazing discoveries being made on Mars, where can they go to delve deeper?
Be sure to follow and subscribe to Cosmos in a Pod for more deep dives into the wonders of the universe. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for stunning visuals and behind-the-scenes insights into these incredible missions.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey to Mars. Until next time, keep looking up and keep exploring.